Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound yen, I do think this is likely the wave 3 right here. I do think we are very likely now in a wave 4, which I think will go down to about the 50% before we make another push up for the wave 5. Now today is the FOMC interest rate for the US dollar. This is not a US dollar pair, but this is definitely a risk on, risk off pair. So if the dollar goes down, normally the yen goes up. If the dollar goes up, normally the yen goes down. Now, the yen is the second currency in this, so if the yen goes down, the yen pairs would go up. If the yen goes up, the yen pairs would go down. So anyways, let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first push down is a wave A. I think this is going to end up pushing up and making a correction to the wave A for the wave B. And then I would probably expect another push down for the wave C, probably down to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like we finally got a breaker started to the upside. This is probably telling us that this over here is the wave A and this is the A, B, and now we're getting ready to go up for a wave C, which I would expect to go up to one of these higher fib levels, probably a wave C of wave B, which is part of that ABC of wave 4. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, we finally got a break and hold above structure, so that's really good news, and it definitely is holding above structure too. So I am definitely going to be looking for longs now, just like I've been saying for the last several weeks. I've been doing nothing but looking for shorts. Now that the market told me that it's time to start looking for longs, I am going to start looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's take a look at it on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it made a very impulsive move down and then a very impulsive move up. So I think there's a pretty good chance that it might make another push down before it actually really does end up continuing the uptrend. But now that we have a break to the upside, I'm just kind of hoping for a push down because that's when we can get in long. If it doesn't push down now and it just keeps on going up, then we're going to have to patiently wait for another pullback in order to get long for the continuation of this uptrend. And like I said, today is a big day for the US dollar, and that definitely is going to affect all the yen pairs also. I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube, so definitely make sure you stop in and check out my YouTube live stream if you want to see my latest opinion on all your favorite pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.